What is good, y'all? YD here back, and as you see, porch is cleared off. Everything is thrown out and I'm put up for the summer. I'll say for the summer, for the winter time. This is the plants that we got left. Our onions, we're doing pretty good. They need to be separated here soon, get in their own pots so they can start growing. You see our cabbage, man, look at it. I think it's crazy. I thought the cabbage usually curl up into a ball or something. Maybe I'm mistaken. I don't know. I'm not sure. I like how the plant hold leaves too. And then my strawberry plant. It looks like it's trying to grow some strawberries, but they're not making it, so they end up dying off or drying up. And then my as you can see, I have my aloe plants right here. They're growing. They're in the house, so I'm gonna show y'all a video of that another time too. They're doing okay. I had to do some trimming because some of this cold weather did a toll on the leaves on my aloe plant. So, but I appreciate y'all for tuning in. And until next time, y'all, I'm out of here.
1 week later.
What is going on, y'all? Quick update on our plants. As you see, winter is here. Snow is fell. And these are our remaining plants. Onions hanging in there somewhat. We had some snow on top of them, so same thing with our cabbage. Cabbage is still thriving, nice and strong. These guys, I think they done. They just trying to hang in there as best as they can, you know. So I don't know, but I gotta say, I don't have much to show y'all no more. Winter's here. We're gonna start this back up again in the spring. We're gonna go even more crazier than we did this year. So appreciate y'all for tuning in, man. Till next time, I'm out of here.
1 week later.
All right, here's the update, y'all, on my aloe plant. As you can see, get nice and tall, you know, looking pretty good. This one, on the other hand, just completely just fell apart. I don't know, started like deconstructing on itself. So I'm gonna be getting rid of that. And yeah, this one's doing pretty good. Making sure I open the window and let it get that sunlight. Make sure I try to water it. Other than that, yeah, that's that.
A few moments later.
What is up, y'all? So I got a little surprise for y'all. I know y'all maybe ain't been paying attention, but remember when I had broccoli growing? Look what we got. It's been growing the whole time. It's been like in the type of little incubator. I had to baby it a little more than the other ones. For some reason it wasn't growing as fast or growing right. So I went ahead and put it in a tent and kept watering it, and now look at it. It's looking pretty good. So we're gonna be seeing what that do, and I'm gonna keep you guys updated. But until next time, y'all, I'm out.